can religious leaders like you, because just as politicians, you are also tight-lipped, talking about a larger conspiracy. If anything, the circumstantial evidence suggests that there has been, the accused has much to explain about his own conduct in the period from where the FIR was lodged till the arrest yesterday.
Nobody can accept the allegations like that is the person whosoever is doing this thing, or if the person is basically involved in these kind of activities, nobody will be accepting this thing. He should be hanged. But the problem is basically we have to first investigate the matter in a thorough manner. Just making by allegations, we have seen in past also so many allegations were made. And even in the Supreme Court, there were some cases were there where this act was misused. So we have to investigate this matter in a very thorough manner. Just by making allegations and just by in past also we have seen very big people were allegations were made against them also. So we have to wait and watch. And if this person is basically have done something wrong, then he should be hanged.
Okay.
He should be hanged.
Okay.
But I think some people are in very fast mode to give their own decisions.
No, but Acharya Vikramaditya, if anything,
you should have a faith on the court.
If anything, there cannot be any faith certainly on the justice system, in the sense the process of law, because the process of law has not been followed till now in this case. We do not have faith in the cops here.
Are basically very much eager to get the
we do not have faith in the cops here, and no faith in the politicians of the state.
In one of them, there was a case against Shani Baba. And
yes.
Even in that case also, basically, the allegations which were made, they were false. And even there was a PIL filed in the Delhi High Court some around 2 years back, in which it was the data was given that only 18% of the POCSO cases, in which the people were they were the right cases.
But Acharya Vikramaditya, shouldn't that be investigated? Has even investigation been followed in the true letter and spirit? That hasn't happened here.
No, we have to investigate. The investigation is on. We should rely on the court also. I think we are not even relying on the court also.
B.V. Venkatesh, please respond to what Acharya Vikramaditya is saying.
One of the major challenges that we face in this state is that you must remember the law is so stringent on this particular aspect. It's the accused who is presumed to be guilty. Accused is presumed to have a mental state of having committed the offense. The mens rea is already there the moment an accusation under POCSO is made. The gravity of this particular law is that they are children. They have little knowledge regarding what is being done to them.
We are very much
given such a person who is committing it so grave, so therefore the law is very stringent.
18% of the cases.
One of the major challenges is that 90% of these cases are undone in the system, and it's really a shocking situation. In fact, when they make a statement that only 18% are false right cases, it's not the case. It is that the system is yet to really function in the right spirit to ensure that the burden is placed on the accused.
Yes.
The amount of influence a child faces in a case of POCSO is enormous. As a person who has officiated as a special public prosecutor in a number of cases of POCSO, I can as well imagine that. In this particular case, that's the reality. Precisely for that reason, Mr. Stanley from Bodanadi, a number of them in state are seeking that this need to be moved on. Just imagine, look at this kind of situation we have. The moment a person faces a serious issue, if he's influential, if he's a film actor, or a pontiff, or a politician, suddenly they have an illness, and the amount of effort given by the state to protect their health demonstrates that there is a law for the commoners.
Absolutely, Mr. Venkatesh, you have raised a valid point that why do all of these high-profile accused become ill, have some kind of chest pain the moment they are arrested?
Look at that.
It's a mockery of illness also.
A six-pack film actor, the moment he is arrested, he has a problem.
Yes.
He has a health issue and taken to the hospital.
Mr. Vikramaditya,
a politician has a health issue.
Acharya Vikramaditya,
a pontiff has a health issue and taken to the hospital. If it is commoners, they have least bothered. Look at the case of Stan Swami, very important.
Huh.
Look at the case of Stan Swami. They had objections in giving him a straw for a person who was suffering from Parkinson's disease. And here, see the comparison. I say that the law is so partisan in these cases that law functions in a manner like very Orwellian. All are equal, some are more equal than
Yes,
others.
that's a good quote there, Mr. Venkatesh. Yes, a quick response from you, Acharya Vikramaditya. Why is law different for commoners and these high-profile people?
No, this is not a matter of high profile or low profile. It's a matter of basically when the allegation is made against some person, that is a normal phenomenon. Basically, people don't have that gut to, basically, if somebody is making allegations.
There is presumption of guilt here in this. That mens rea is against him. That's the law.
This.
And if you don't know the law, I can't help it. And that's not an argument you can place here.
You are
POCSO case very clear. Law is very clear that the person is presumed to have a mental state for having committed the offence. POCSO law is absolutely clear on that. Section 129, 39, very clear on that. And therefore, bail is not granted in great number of cases.
Okay,
Getting bail is very tough.
Let me